Yo, 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 what's up? This game just updated clicking legends. I'm actually really good inside of it. I'm on the leaderboards. Hopefully I'm still on. I haven't played in like a few weeks, which is kind of bad. Cause I kind of need to be on the leaderboards. Cause I just want to show off to my friends. So like, oh bro, you suck at Roblox. And then, yeah. So, I actually updated. Whoa, what does this say? They got a new egg here. How much does it cost? I forgot. Oh, it's right there. 500 trillion. That's barely for me, but that's a ton for other people. Hopefully I'm still on. Let's see if I'm still on. Hopefully. Let's see. I don't think I'm on. Oof. I don't think I'm on anymore. I forgot how to... Sorry. Just... It's hard to move on this computer. It's confusing and stuff. Oh, well, I should be still on. Let's see where I'm at. I'm right there. 21st. Wow. Okay, they added a new egg. Okay, let's see if there's anything else in the gym shop. Let's see. Oh, I don't want to go over there. It looks like there is. Nope. We're so close. There's something over there now? Come on. Come on. Come on. Nope. They said loads of new features inside there, but I don't know if it's actually loads of new features, buddy. And also, oh, what just happened? Okay, that just happened, but, this guy's asking for a free pet, even though he's not even trading. I'm gonna tell him that. There's no trading. I just said, bro, there's no trading. Now let's see the stats of these pets. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh, wow. I like that egg. Ooh. That's the easiest one to get. Oh, no, wait. It's the second easiest to get. Let's see. These are my old pets. 1,000. Oh my god! That is so good, guys. I'm about to go equip a full team of this. About to equip a full team, yes sir. And I actually use this thing right here. Let's go to it. So, as you can see, search up OP auto clicker. Just like that. And then press download. Because this is what I use whenever I do stuff, and it says wait 3 seconds. It won't do anything bad. It will just do an auto clicker. Pretty much. And see if you can see down here. Let's move it down here. Look. Go to that, and you press that. You press open. Let me move this up so you can see it. Okay? And then I usually go into my Roblox game, and I just leave it like that. Press the back button, as you can see, and I press the button that is for. So I get a ton, and I just hatch eggs. Until I get a full team, or I keep going until I make shinies and stuff. And let's see if they added anything inside the last world. First of all, I need to get full team, which I just did. Now let me unequip all these. I thought those were good. No, compared to these, no. Pretty sure I got a full team, yep. I don't know why, guys, but it's so glitchy. So glitchy. And I already know my auto's bad, my audio. Fucking talk. And shout out to the guy that commented on my video, and yeah, shout out to you. You know who you are. I forgot how expensive this egg was. 5 billion. That one's 500 trillion. Yeah, that's a big difference. I always wonder what if this I would oh, I just fell. Well, that's it for the update. If there's more, just tell me in the comments, cause I'm very stupid. And yeah, peace.